But I regret not the whoopings I got. Just to be able to play the next day was okay. On a mission to hit up the neighbor's fruit trees. Just a bunch of kids chilling, enjoying the summer breeze.
Summer breeze, blowing like the wind. Boy, you need to know that you got a friend, and I'll always be here. Always be here.
What's up, guys? I'm checking out Lorraine, and this one is titled Two Face, requested by Will Thomas on Streamlabs. Big shout out to you. Haven't heard this one, nor have I seen the video, but yeah, definitely looking forward to it. I've definitely been, enjoying listening to more modern artists and whatnot and seeing what they can bring to the table. But yeah, I haven't heard any of her music before. I'm pretty sure she's a modern artist. I mean, the name alone definitely gives off that vibe, but yeah, I'm just gonna hop straight into this one. I have lyrics pulled up as recommended, so yeah, let's go ahead and check it out. Two Face. Couldn't find an audio, only video, so yeah, we're gonna have to use it. Good song. This is very unique. Okay, I hate to pause, but what am I listening to, bro? This feels like something from another planet. Like the layers and just how trippy the song is. Like this is kind of wild. I'm looking at lyrics too. The lyrics, I really like the lyrics. That was super super impressive. Honestly, like I was glued into the song from beginning to end. I'm not entirely sure what it's about, but it definitely had like some like self-reflecting sort of a message going on there for sure, especially with the chorus um, about her kind of like not being able to build anything new because once she's got them all the bricks aligned, uh, mortars escaping me. I don't know what that means. Wait, hold up. Station here. Um, Show her state of mind, although she's finally getting everything together mentally. Since the mortar is escaping, her mind will quickly return back to its chaotic and unarranged state. I thought a mortar was like a cannon though. Maybe there's like multiple meanings for that word. But yeah, man, that was so trippy. The music video definitely matches the song perfectly. From what glimpses I was able to see of it, and sheesh, I enjoyed that. See, this is what I mean. Like the new generation has so much creativity and whatnot that it really makes like listening to music nowadays unique in that regard. You know, like just the creativity aspect of it all. But yeah, definitely enjoyed that one from Lorraine. Hopefully, I'm pronouncing her name right. And if you guys enjoyed that one as well, make sure you smack the like button, subscribe if you're new. That being said, much love, stay safe, and peace out.